welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a color shooter for Holi. We got a tissue roller, a sticker, a scissor, and a balloon. Oh, I love balloons. Let's start. First, we fold a balloon and cut the top. Cut the top part. Nice and straight. Next, tie it. Next, tie it like this. Now put it on the tissue paper. Oh yeah. Put it like this. And put a sticker all around it. Look at it, it's orange inside. It's like magic. It needs decoration, right? Ta-da! And cut a sticker like this. So we have to do it so quick. Now my color shooter is ready. Let's test it. Wow. Where did the green cotton ball come from? Wow, that was amazing. Look, why don't